If you want to hear the sound of birds, don't buy a cage, plant a tree. Nature's music is best enjoyed in its purest form, free and unconfined. When you plant a tree, you are not just adding greenery to your surroundings. You are creating a living sanctuary. The branches reach out, offering a perch for tiny feet and a playground for wings. Leaves rustle gently in the wind, providing shelter and comfort, inviting birds of all colors and songs to visit, nest, and thrive. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much.